Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all fine. In the previous video we have discussed about the radio button, and now in this video we will discuss about the checkbox. Let's start. Okay, now first you have to use the child widget. Inside the child widget, what we will do, let's say we will sorry sorry. Okay, inside the child widget you have checkbox. Now use the properties of the checkbox. The default value of the checkbox is true. So what we will do, uh, go on the top in here. Now add a default value. What will the default value of the checkbox value? Okay, let's say we will false it. Now default value of the checkbox is false. Now use the value here, checkbox. Okay, now what will we do on unchanged? Unchanged, it will take the value, sorry, not like that. It will take a boolean value and value from here. uh, now what will it do? It will print some value. Let's say it will print simply values like true and false, and take value from the above value we have used. uh, Now let's run the code once and check what will the happen. Now you can see the checkbox is here. When I pressed it, it print here the true. Now let's use set state widget. uh, Set state, what will it do? It checkbox value. Okay, checkbox value is equal to value. No, now let me run it again. You can see the default color of the app. So it is giving us the color as it changed by the set state, and also it is giving the false and true value. When I uncheck it, it gives the false value. When I click it, it gives the true value. Hope you are enjoying my tutorials. Please do subscribe my channel and wait for the next one.